Hi guys, so today we are going to be making a project that can tell the date. So here I've made a whole clock. Let me show you how it works. T Ryan, a time. I prefer English. Alright, so here it is. It tells the time, it tells the date, it tells the month, and it has set an alarm which is currently under construction. So let me show you how this date. Alright, now this contains like a lot of code, so like this video is going to be long. Let me show you. It's lagging. Okay, now let's get started. So at first we need to get the date, make the costumes. 31 costumes, guys. Okay, text. I'm going to keep it sans serif this time because like yeah. One. Okay. 4. Let me duplicate it 31 times. Duplicate. Okay. Duplicate. This is going to take years, but like not years, like it's going to be done in a little bit. Duplicate. Let's do 14 for now. Okay, so 2, 3. Basically this is counting. 5. Boom. Wait, where is 6? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, this is going to be done in a little bit. 12, 13, 14. Right, let's duplicate it. Duplicate, 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 duplicate. Keep duplicating until you reach 31. 24, 25, 26. You can forward the video, guys. Alright. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Alright, so we are done. Now we are going to start from 15. Alright. 16, 17, 18, 9, 20, 21. Again you can forward the video until I reach 31. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and the last one, which is 31. So we are done with the costumes. Now you guys would be thinking, the costumes took so much time. How much time will the code take? So like we can duplicate in the code too. So it's gonna be a little bit easy, but you know it's gonna take time. So let me name this sprite date. Alright, Now when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to zoom it for you guys. If the current date. The current date, go to sensing. The current date is equal to 1. Then switch costume to costume 1. Alright, now we keep repeating this. 2 costume to costume 2. If you have understood how to do this, you can forward the video from here. 2, 3, 4, costume to costume 4, 5, switch costume to costume 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9. I will scratch understood this, and it like keep automatically doing like switch costume to costume 9, and then 10, and then 11, and like that. But it's not like that. You have to write it on your own, and that's what I like it, because like you have to do hard work, and then your project, when it gets finished, you feel very happy. Where is costume 11? Alright. 12. Actually, I took like 6-7 days finishing this project. So the main clock, this one, on 13, 14, 15, 15. Okay guys, we are halfway done. 16, 17, 17. Alright. 18. Boom. Right here. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. 21. 21. Alright, we are at 21. We only need to do like 10 more. So 22. Alright, I'm a bit tired. 23. 23. See, when you're done till 31, you'll feel very happy. You'll be like, I finally did it. Alright, 25. 25. Alright, 6 more to go. Now 5 more to go. 27. 27. 28. 28. 29. 29. Okay guys, this is the second last. 30. 30. Alright, this is the last one. Yay, we finally finished it. Alright, so let's see how the project looks now. So today, here in my country, India, it's 9th of October. So let's see if it's 9th. Yeah, it's 9th. So it depends on which country you are living in. It's gonna be the same date as that country. And I think we are done for today. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Bye.